Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a real quick video on the update of the 62 Impala. Let's get started. Alright, let's just get started real quick. I'm already assembling everything. Let me show you the Impala up close so you can see how the flow coating works. This is it. Now on this you can still buff it, you can still wet sand, buff, but you don't really need it, but you can still do it. I do have two videos explaining the flow coating. Okay, I'm gonna put them in the description below, the two videos that I made on the flow coating, what is it and why it's done. So if you don't know what that is, go to those videos, check them out. Right here, here's the left fender. I am haven't installed it because I am putting all the trimmings on before installing it on the car. It's a lot easier. But yeah, there it is. It's a little quick update, guys, on the 62 Impala. Alright guys, this is a real quick video on the 62 Impala, how it's going. I will show you the car in its entirety once it's done. Right now, like I mentioned, I'm installing everything back. So thank you, subscribe so you can follow this build, and also hit that little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And guys, like always, God bless.